Well, good morning from the Good Ship Monkey and Dragon. It's a beautiful day on the river today. Today is the day we've been waiting for a long time. This is actually meadow where we moor up on a permanent basis. And we'll go inside. That's where the magic happens. Arr. There we go. Through the corridor. We should find a young Melanie Easter who's beavering away working still. She's been working from home for, how long has it been now, Mel?
12 weeks.
About 12 weeks, yeah. So today is the day we've been waiting for, isn't it, Mel?
For a long time.
For a long time. What's going to happen today, Mel?
We're getting our canopy today.
Yeah. So expecting Adrian to come along in the next half hour, hopefully. And the canopy goes up into this area out here, which I'm going up to. Up here, which is why we've had the metal framework. This will be like another room. So as you can imagine, we're quite excited. Can't wait to get the canopy up. Be our dining room, stroke, whatever. So yeah, hopefully today's the day. Au revoir. So I've been sitting here like an expectant father for 10 minutes. And the good news is people are arriving. Here they come. This is Adrian, sales. And this could be the day. Let's hope so. And that gentleman's Adrian. You may have seen him on a couple of pictures and videos that I've done in the past with band stuff. Yeah, this is the day.
Drive home.
Soaking wet now.
Swimming in the pond water now.
Swelling of fish.
Yeah.
Right, I just need you here.
So we've got Fox involved now with the canopy.
Got it down just a little, not too much tension, just a bit.
That's a mighty canopy.
Yeah, now with your other hand,
Yeah.
if you could come, if you see where my pencil is.
Yep.
It's time for the inaugural launch of the SS Lusitania. This is my boat here. This one.
Just get in it.
Mel's is there. Fox is on the board. I'm a little bit nervous.
Yeah, put your hand onto the right hand side of the thingy and keep that hand there.
I'm in. I'm in. I'm balanced. Got to go under the rope. Woohoo!
We need to sort of do this ourselves.
That's a lot easier getting in there.
How easy is that?
Well, this is cool. Are you in, Mel?
Yeah, she's in.
Right. Let's go have a look at our mighty canopy. There's a duck. This is our boat from the outside, by the way. Isn't she nice? And there's the canopy. Waited 6 months, but I think it was worth it. It's bloody gorgeous. Handbrake turn. There's the back of it. There's me Melzy. Hello, Melzy. Handbrake turn. Really stable, yeah.
Duck for dinner?
Huh?
Duck for dinner?
Oh, it's duck for dinner. Lovely.
Not screwy.
Yeah. Anyway, so you've seen the canopy now, folks. Yeah, you can see it is glorious. It's many thanks to Adrian for coming down today. Fox is on. Off we go. Oh, this is great. I love this. I'm all on my own here. I left them two losers behind. Yeah, this is a different view. Loving it. Anyway, more later.
Oh, bubbling about.
People ask me, is that what you're going to do all day? Muck about in a boat? Damn right it is. Oh, I'm going to get rammed, I think. Where is she? She's there. There's Fox. Carmen got me wet earlier. Thank you very much. It's like going out on a boat with a shark on a board. Hello. I love you.
Bumper boat.
No shortage of confidence. Brilliant. Come on, kids. Keep up with your dad. We definitely picked the right colour. She does look good in black. Oh yes, she looks good in black. Right, here we go. They're coming into land, sort of. Now then, here we come. Right, so I've got to get hold of the boat here. Stand up a little bit. And in one swift movement. Oh God. Not as swift as I want. Yay! I made it. Right, here comes Melzy.
You can turn that right off.
I think that means turn the camera off, please, Jazzy. So the canopy is up. Bit different than yesterday's glorious weather, it's pouring down. This is George. Also known as Curious George, as he's a curious little bugger. George loves the canopy, don't you, George? Yes, I do, Daddy. Thank you very much. So here we are. As you can see, it really is spacious in here. Yeah, it's a bit grim out there today. But yeah, it's looking good. So all we've got to do out here now is these green bits will be painted black. And then straightened up, get some lighting. And that's it, this room is ready for visitors. Whoever they may be. It's happy days. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a great day. Bye bye.